viewers, welcome to our channel. Writing an essay often seems to be a difficult task among students. Whether the essay is for a class or a contest, many students often find overwhelming task. In our today's video, we will know how to write an effective essay writing. Let's move on. For writing an essay effectively, you need to have the topic, prepare based on the topic selected, get the statement of essay, write the introduction properly, conclude your essay, and then check for the spelling and grammar. Following this process will help in drafting a successful essay, whatever the purpose might be. Now, let's know more about a topic. If a topic is already assigned, go with it. If not assigned, choose a subject that is interesting or relevant to you. Once the topic is selected, define the purpose. Do research on the topic and think what is it that interests you to evaluate your options. Next, prepare for your essay. Organize your thoughts and ideas and put it in paper. Connect the links between your ideas more clearly. For that, you need to go for two options. Either create a block diagram or an outline or jot down the points. Now, let's understand how to create a block diagram with option 1. Here, I have taken example of the festival Dashara. And I have listed down the points in the form of block diagram. Dashara is incarnation of good over evil. It marks victory of Rama over Ravana. Dashara falls on 10th day of Ashwin month and it is usually in the month of September or October. All the schools and colleges will have vacation and Dashara is celebrated by Hindus. Let's take option 2. I will take the same example, Dashara. I will list down my points step by step. We can add points whenever you remember. Next important part is essay statement. Essay statement usually have two parts. One is the topic and the other one is point of the essay. Based on this, you have to select the essay statement. Example, during my college. Next comes the body of the essay. Your body of essay should explain or describe your topic. Each main idea that you write in your diagram or outline will become a separate section. One of your main idea should become as the introductory sentence. Let's move on to the conclusion part. Your overall idea should be composed together. Your conclusion should consist of 3 to 4 strong sentences. Simply review your main points. Bring closure of the topic. Checking. Once you complete the essay, it doesn't mean that it is a successful essay. You need to conclude after drafting the essay. Check the order of your paragraphs. Reread your essay. Make sure the sentence flow is smooth and connect to your thoughts. Check spellings and grammar. Hope this video helps you a lot in writing effective essay. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more videos. Also, drop your comments in the comment section. Have a nice day.